This is the new Philips CoreLine waterproof. Efficient, reliable, and waterproof lighting with a robust design for a smart, simple, and very quick installation. The Philips CoreLine waterproof with a longer lifespan and up to 60% more energy savings compared to conventional lighting, with wide beam light distribution for yet more effective lighting, and, even more important, with a top design for a quicker and more flexible installation. The difference? That is what we show here. Ready to start? Go! How do you notice the difference during installation?
Ik ervaar de montage als vrij gemakkelijk. Snel.
What are the most noticeable differences?
De aarde is al van tevoren erop gezet, de beveiliging zit er al op, allemaal minder handelingen.
How do you experience the installation of this lighting fixture?
De montage is gemakkelijker en sneller, alles is al voorbereid.
What are the advantages for customers?
60% meer energiebesparing en meer lichtopbrengst.
Why would you choose for precisely this fixture?
Ik zou kiezen dat het makkelijker op te hangen is, meer lichtopbrengst en minder energie.
The new Philips CoreLine waterproof. More light, less cost, and very quick installation. Philips CoreLine waterproof. Now immediately available. For more information, please visit our website.